Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to all of you. Uh, we are going to discuss today how CV format is different from resume. If I talk about CV is little bit different with the resume because resume has only one page and CV has a detailed info about your academic qualification, your experience, your research work, your job experience. So all is there in the form of your detailed information. While on the other hand, resume is a one page summary about your work experience, and the main difference is that the resume is only one page while the CV could be two, three, or four pages. So there is a long detail in CV, while on the other hand, resume has only a one page information which can only be used for job. CV is mostly is used for academic purposes, mean want to get admission, want to get job in a academic area or in some type of a educational area. While on the other hand, if you have some expertise, if you have some skills, you will use your resume. So the basic purpose is to write your resume to inform other people about your expertise, skills, and your professional expertise, while CV gives detail about your educational, academic qualification, experience, publication, research work, all and each and every thing is there in your CV. While on the other hand, we just share our expertise, skills, and experience. And if you want to highlight in resume your education, you will just say I have did my MPhil or master. Last degree you will mention with grade. So this would be sufficient in resume, and it is comprised only on one page. While on the other hand, we see that CV has all information regarding personal information and educational information, work experience, publication, languages, interest, hobby, each and everything is there. But on the other hand, resume has only expertise, skills, and a few information are mentioned in your resume. If I talk about how CV is different from resume, the difference between CV and resume lies in the length, layout, and purpose of these documents. CV have no length limit. Resumes are typically 1 to 2 pages long. Uh, CV has a CV detail uh, the whole course of a candidate academic career, and resume summarizes skills and work experience. So this is the simple difference within the CV and resume. The difference of CV and resume is highlighted under this slide. The difference of CV and resume: a resume is a 1 or 2 page document presented key facts about your professional experience, educational background, and skills. A CV curriculum vitae is a longer document that details the whole course of your career. A resume is used for job search, a CV for academic purpose. What is a CV? A CV, that is known as full name, is curriculum vitae, which is Latin word for course of life, is an in-depth document which describes the whole course of your career in full detail. It's usually 2 or 3 pages long, but can just as well as be laid over 10 pages if necessary. A curriculum vitae contains details about your educational, professional, career, publication, awards, honors, and other achievements in USA, Canada. CV is used only for academic publication, academic jobs, grants, research fellowship, etc. So this was the introduction about your uh, CV. Now I'm going to discuss resume. A resume that is a French word, while CV is a Latin word. Resume is a French word to sum up, is a short, concise document used for job applications in the USA, Canada. The purpose of resume to provide uh, recruiters with a brief overview of the candidate's work history. A good resume should be targeted at a specific job and 1 to 2 pages long. Okay, want to include the resume. What should be the content of your resume? The content, your content information included in job title, resume summary, or resume objective, work experience, educational skills. Education mean in 1 or 2 line you just mention your last degree. As skills you mention your skills, what type of skills you have. Additional sections mean award, courses, resume. In single line you will mention all these awards and your publication, licenses and certificate, and interest you can mention. So now you can know how should resume look. But before we move on technical thing that confuses may job seeker, how to type a resume. The difference in nutshell, if I talk about just in a few minutes, the difference between CV and resume lies in the length, layout, and purpose of these documents. CV have no length limit, resume are typically 1 or 2 pages long. The candidate academic career or resume summarizes skills and work experience. So these are the main differences. Here are key takeaways about the resume and CV. Here is the sample that is mentioned here, so you can utilize these samples here. While you are writing, on the left side there is a CV and on the right side there is a resume, so you can take help from this sample and you can build your resume and sample. So this was today topic, how to develop your CV. Hope you have I hope you have understood the idea and you will clearly now establish your resume or CV.